And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. A fair bit of sunshine still out there. Calling it partly cloudy skies right now, 19 degrees. That beats our estimated high of 18. Charles, this morning on 98.1 CKVN and myself, we're talking about 18 was going to be a pretty healthy temperature, and here we are at 19. Winds have tapered a little bit, 46 kilometers per hour right now, but they have been gusting overnight last night, much stronger than that. 32% humidity values right now, but we'll see those numbers climb a little bit in the evening, overnight hours, especially prior to dawn. Could see a good chance of seeing some shower activity, so we'll see that humidity level go up. But you can see the numbers as a result of the westerly flow, the influence of the area of high pressure allowing that sunshine to radiate down to the surface. Pretty good temperatures here to the west of the Continental Divide, looking fairly healthy as well. Average for Lethbridge for daytime highs at this time of the year now is 14 degrees, so we're surpassing that value. Here's the low pressure centers I was telling Jackie about, one to the west, one to the north, and one that blew through last night and created all that wind that we all had to listen to, window panes rattling. But here we do have an area of high pressure. It's not absolutely solid. It's a little on the weak side, but it has been allowing a lot of sunshine to make its way down. We're going to see a little drift off of cloud cover overnight tonight, and because of that, we have that chance of overnight shower activity. But by tomorrow, our winds in the south, as this low pressure center from the west slides even further closer to that area of high pressure, the gradient becomes very tight. By noon hour, the winds in the city of Lethbridge could be gusting to 90 kilometers per hour and be even stronger on the outskirts of the city. So highway travel is going to be a little dicey tomorrow. Be very careful if you're driving a big rig and it's empty, for example. But here you can see that mixed precipitation from that low pressure center going to be isolated to the mountains, the higher elevations. Here in the south, we're looking at clearing skies by the afternoon hours because of that wind kicking up. So any showers that we have will be prior to the dawn hours, what it looks like right now, and then clearing out as the day moves on. 5 degrees in St. John's. Quite a bit of rainfall is moving up. There's two troughs that are skimming up the coast from the Gulf of Mexico is where the source of the precipitation is. So we've got heavy rainfall warnings and a possibility of freezing rain right in southern Quebec and right along the mouth of the St. Lawrence River. So active weather there. Just cloudy skies they're looking at Winnipeg right now today, but tomorrow they're expecting rain from that low. Regina and Saskatoon looking at rain showers from the low that moved through last night. We've got 16 degrees in Edmonton right now. Cloudy on the coast right now with some showers. We've got cloudy in Whitehorse, and we're expecting to see some showers turning to snow overnight tonight in Yellowknife. They're getting those showers right now, and as the temperature drops, it'll freeze. East Kootenay, you are looking at 9 degrees for a low tonight. Periods of rain, chance of a thunder shower in the mix. Tomorrow, a chance of a morning shower, and then clearing skies in the afternoon hours. Crow's Nest Pass, an overnight low of 8 degrees tonight, 10 degrees for a high tomorrow, sliding down to 4 by mid-afternoon with mainly cloudy skies tomorrow. Medicine Hat, cloudy with a chance of showers tonight, 10 degrees. Windy tonight, windy tomorrow, cloudy with a chance of morning showers, 13 degrees for a daytime high. And in Lethbridge, we're looking at cloudy skies tonight, that chance of showers I mentioned, 8 for a low. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix for the most part, heavy on the cloud cover at times, windy, very windy tomorrow in Lethbridge. And there's your 5-day forecast, and you can see those low pressure centers really do influence us because it causes wind directional changes. So we've got winds coming out of the northwest as we get into Wednesday, but temperatures recovering as we head towards the weekend. Weekend's looking fairly sunny, a little less windy, and pretty dry conditions. And there's your record temperatures. Check out 2003. How many of you remember 27 degrees on that day on Saturday on 2003? Boy, that was a warm day. Speaking of warm, you might want to go for a warm meal. This is our next installment of Dine in Lethbridge, Tony Roma's.
Tony Roma's is located on the south side of Mayor McGrath Drive. We seat about 120 in the dining room and 80 in our lounge. The most unique thing about Tony Roma's is we do ribs, and we do ribs the best. Our baby backs, our beef bones, our riblings, that is what we're known for, and they're great. Every Tuesday, we have all-you-can-eat riblings, and it includes 2 sides and a beverage for $20, which is a great deal. And every first Wednesday of the month, it's all-you-can-eat beef bones for $25 with 2 sides and a beverage. Besides our ribs, we have a lot of great appetizers. Our chicken shrimp is next to none. We also have flatbread, with steak and vegetables on top, which is delicious. We have over 12 lunch specials between $8 and $10. Besides all the drinks that you need to have fun, we also offer a full menu in the Tony Roma's Lounge. So it's just great to have nice people working for you. People have been with you 6 to 10 years. Really gives you that consistency in your food and service.